Namaskar. Welcome to the second part of kitchen utensils and tools names. Let's begin with the video. A colander is a kitchen utensil used to strain foods such as pasta or to rinse vegetables. Rolling board, rolling pin. Rolling board, rolling pin. A sieve is a tool for separating larger solids from smaller solids. Sieve. Pizza cutter. Pizza cutter. Cleaver. Cleaver. Dish rack. Dish rack. Mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Strainer. Strainer. Cloche. Cloche. Tongs. Tongs. Pepper mill is a device for grinding peppercorns by hand to make pepper. Pepper mill. A dinner plate is a type of plate used for main courses. Bread and butter plate, B&B plate, side plate, or quarter plate. Fork. Fruit fork. Knife. Butter knife. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Be safe, be happy. जो भी है, ta-da!